Alright friends, good job finishing that Nearpod. I'm super proud of you. Make sure that if you got any of them wrong, you went back and you fixed what you needed to fix so that you got the correct answer, and that you submitted all your slides so that I could see your work. Please make sure you did all of your work in the Nearpod and not just on your desk or on a piece of paper, so that I can see exactly what you're doing since I am not there with you. What you need to do now is, for your independent practice, open up a new tab, go to showbie.com, sign in if it makes you sign in. Hopefully you saved your login. Go into our class, and you have right here Math Monday 914 is your assignment. I have shared with you 5 problems. It's only 5 problems, but I wanted to make sure that you had enough space on your Showbie page to do all of your work. So I put 1 problem per page. Okay, friends? 1 problem per page. You have 5 pages, so don't just stop after the first page and think you're done. You have 5 separate pages on Showbie with 5 problems, and you have to do your work in Showbie so I can see it because I'm at home, okay? Thank you so much, friends.